Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. Me and Gertrude wanted to show you her new favorite toy. It's the Spot Jumbo Flying Squirrel. This toy has definitely been in heavy rotation with Gertrude among all of her favorite toys. I think what she loves most about this toy in particular, who we call Mr. Squirrel in our house, is the fact that it's made with two squeakers, one here and one here. And I personally love the fact that this toy has no stuffing. So this toy is quite thin. It's made of a really soft plush fabric, and my dog can be quite aggressive with her toys. So I'm pretty happy with the fact that I don't have to clean up stuffing every day. So let's take a look at how Gertrude enjoys playing with Mr. Squirrel. So she immediately, upon getting the toy, takes a look for the squeaker and squeaks it nonstop all day long. My dog is quite aggressive with her toys, as you can see, but this little guy is held up great. So this toy is great for any of you that have dogs that like to hunt, small rodents. They'll definitely have hours and hours of fun playing with these toys. I love giving them to Gertrude, knowing that there's no stuffing, she can't destroy it, and that she loves it so much. So I know your dog will love it too, and that's our point of view.